What are you going to do with your life? Hi everyone!
Hi!
Today we are going to practice the phrase going to. As always, you can read the text in PDF, which you can find in the description. Follow our podcasts on Yandex Music and iTunes. For more new dialogues, subscribe to our channel. In English, the phrase going to basically means intending to do something in the future. Now we are going to ask each other a few questions and answer them. So you can practice the phrase to understand it better. So Anya, what are you going to do with your life?
I don't have any huge plans. I'm going to enjoy every day of my life and do something useful for the world and future generations.
Okay. What are you going to do after this class?
I would like to go for a walk.
Right.
The weather is fabulous today.
Yeah, the summer is awesome this year.
Yeah.
Where are you going to go for your next holiday?
I'm going to travel around the country. I don't know yet what places exactly I would like to visit.
Okay,
I need to think of it.
right. Are you going to meet anyone at the weekend?
Yes, I am. I haven't seen my good friends for a long time.
Okay,
So we are going to spend this weekend together.
nice. Are you going to watch television tonight?
No, I'm not, because I don't have a TV set. I don't like it.
Right. What book are you going to read next?
I'm going to read some classics,
Okay.
maybe.
Yeah, that's always good.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe Karamazov's Brothers by Dostoevsky.
Dostoevsky.
Yeah.
Okay. When are you going to give up your bad habits?
I'm not going to give up my bad habits because I don't have ones.
Okay. Are you a good girl?
Yeah, of course.
What's the next big decision you are going to make?
This is a personal thing, very personal thing. I would prefer to keep it secret. Okay?
No problem, no problem.
Okay.
Where in the world are you going to travel?
As I said, I'm going to visit some places in Russia I have never been to.
Okay,
I think it's going to be a wonderful trip.
yeah, for sure. Are you going to play any video games later today?
I don't play any video games. No, I'm not.
Okay.
So, Renat, what hairstyle are you going to have next?
My hair is pretty short,
Yeah.
so I'm not going to change it too much.
Okay. What are you going to have for lunch or dinner?
Today I'm going to have some rice with
Okay.
chicken and salad.
Okay.
Yeah,
I know.
very healthy.
Yeah, yeah. What are you going to do on your next birthday?
My birthday is in February, so I would like to invite my friends and relatives and go to some ski resort.
Very
Yeah, I think we will have a lot of fun.
good. Okay. I'll stay home.
Okay.
How are you going to get better at speaking English?
I like making new videos for our YouTube channel.
Yeah, me too.
So it helps me to get better at speaking as well.
Yeah.
So I'm going to keep doing this, of course.
Okay, good luck. Who are you going to text or send an email to today?
I'm going to write to my mother.
Yeah.
We have something to talk about.
Okay. What mobile phone are you going to buy next?
I'm not going to buy a new mobile phone. I like my current one.
Okay. What are you going to do after you finish studying?
I finished my studying many years ago.
Okay.
So now I focus more on my job and my hobbies.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Are you going to be rich and famous?
No, I'm not. I don't think that it will make me happier. So I would like just to have enough money for living And that's it.
I see. When are you going to stop studying English?
I don't want to stop studying English. It's a nice language and a very good practice for the brain, you know?
Yeah.
Learning languages is
Agree.
always good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you going to live happily ever after?
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to live happily ever after.
Okay.
So guys, thank you very much for watching. That was a small practice of the set expression going to. If you like the video, don't forget to like it of course and follow our channel. Thank you very much once again and see you later. Bye!
Bye.